Sandwich assembly has never been more automated, simple, and hygienic. This highly automated system assembles, loads, and packages multiple varieties of frozen breakfast sandwiches from primary to secondary packaging. The automated assembly process starts with sorting and collation of sandwich breads, from muffins to buns or even egg patties. For increased production, additional sandwich components are introduced into the system. The JLS 3D vision system identifies acceptable product based on set parameters such as presence, dimensions, orientation, height or depth, and product damage. Non-acceptable products are removed from the product stream. Let's now stack with a protein patty, cheese from a portioner or slicer, and finally the sandwich top, all using Hygienic IP69K-rated Delta robots. Completed sandwiches are prepped and loaded for flow wrapping. Flow-wrapped sandwiches move on to the robotic cartoning process. Packages are placed with precision into top-load cartons, which are then closed using custom robotic end-of-arm tooling. Cartons pass through an integrated check weigher. Cases are erected and conveyed to load cartons in cases. Cartons are now stood on edge, collated, and efficiently loaded into cases in a vertical pack orientation for retail-ready applications. Cases are loaded with robotic precision and pass through an integrated case sealer. System flexibility allows for multiple size cartons and case loading configurations. Partnering with JLS takes the complexity out of automating your sandwich assembly process.